You may be surprised to learn that you have to explain what digital technology industry is all about. A lot of students will think it's just coding, so it's very important that you talk about all the other jobs that are available within tech and all the other industries that use tech. You can get paid more for a job in digital technology than in other sectors for the same job. So a project manager in digital technology can earn 20 to 40% more than a project manager not in digital technology. There are lots of different industries being touched by digital technology. FinTech, or financial tech, is one of the most thriving industries in Scotland, and Scotland is one of the leaders in FinTech in the world. FinTech, or financial tech, is focused on making a customer's experience of using financial services and banks much better. Health tech is also a very important area. Health tech is using a lot of data and analysing it and looking for patterns and using those patterns to predict who's likely to get ill, who might need treatment, how to treat them. So allowing people and doctors to intervene in someone's potential illness before they show any physical signs of that illness. EdTech, or educational technology, is helping students learn better by using technology, and this can happen in lots of different ways. So it could be using online courses to help students learn at home or learn when they haven't got access to a teacher, or it can be using technology to learn in new ways, like using online games or apps, or using virtual reality that allows students to go on field trips in places that they wouldn't otherwise be able to go. The creative industries are adopting technology in lots of different ways. For example, using 3D printing to make prototypes, using virtual reality to create virtual objects before they're built. For example, architects using it to create buildings, creating interesting artwork, and obviously photography, film, etc. It's all being influenced by digital technology. Of course, music's been using technology for a long time, and games draw on music and film and pictures and bring everything together for creative gameplay. One way to get children excited about technology is to talk about some of the technology superstars. So for example, Bill Gates, who started Microsoft, and the billions that he's made from that, and how he's now going on to do lots of good work. Steve Jobs, who's a bit of an enigma figure, but starting in a garage with Steve Wozniak, and now Apple, obviously, very highly successful and valuable company. You could also talk about Marissa Mayer, who's the CEO of Yahoo, or Martha Lane Fox, who started lastminute.com. Another interesting character that you could think about talking about is Elon Musk, because he's worked in a lot of different areas, from solar energy to high-speed trains to self-driving cars and going to space. It's also a good idea to use local inspiring women as superstars, and obviously talk about yourself as well. There are lots of different routes to get into digital technology. A lot of people come from the STEM route, so not necessarily computer science, but from studying science or studying maths. But another very large number come from the more art route, so they have studied design, or they've studied graphics, or they've studied user experience, and they've come at it from a different perspective. And digital technology needs both. And it's a good idea to point this out, because a lot of people think that it's all science, and it isn't. It needs both. Students may not be aware of the different options available to them when they leave school. So if you can talk about the modern apprenticeships, the different college courses they could do, as well as the degree courses, then it opens their mind to different routes into the industry, and give the advantages and disadvantages of each. Because it can often be a better idea to do a modern apprenticeship and start earning money straight away and getting lots of experience, because at the end of the day, digital technology is about the experience you have and not about what you know. It's what you do that matters.